All right, awesome. So if everyone's following along with me, you should have your Canva document open with the template you selected. Now that we're here, this is where the fun begins. I'll go over quickly down over here on this left side, all these menus, design, we don't need to worry about. We already have our design right here. Element. Element is a fun one to play with. You can add lines, shapes, a lot of designs and add animations to them, but you can, drag and drop kind of really whatever you need in here to just add a little bit of flair to your design. Text, pretty self-explanatory. You can add text, add glow, change the color for all the text and stuff. Draw, add really wherever you need to do. Um, Great. Brand hub, we don't need to worry about that for now. Upload, same as Element, except you can basically upload any PNG or image off of your own your device, your own computer at home. Draw, we don't really need to worry about at the moment, unless you're a designer with like a digital design pad. It's kind of going to be a really hard tool to use, or you're just really good at using your mouse. But for now, I think we can kind of just gloss over this. Projects just helps you stay organized with all of the other projects you're working on, and apps we don't really ever use. Perfect. So now we're right back down here at up here at designs. This is the most important is your layering tool. So get to layering, you should go to positions, and you should pull up layers right here. It'll show you all the different layers of your design that makes it, your design makes it so unique. And it'll just show you, yeah, each layer. You can select it and edit them. So if I wanted to make this buy two, get one, maybe let's say 25% off instead, or 35, whatever you want to do, just add that in and click off of it, and it's perfectly saved. It's still an animation, so that's why it has this live button kind of view. Yeah, right over here at name, let's change our name. So we'll be Divi Dispo. Perfect. And then I can drag from uploads, like I said earlier, drag and drop a logo right over here. Pretty user friendly, I would say. For the animations and stuff, you can go right over here to this animation tool, and you can add whatever animations you like. We have a huge option of free ones that Canva just offers, which is what makes Canva which is why we use Canva. It's so great, honestly. Not a paid advertisement. Canva is just really, really, really nice to use. And yeah, one other thing I like to mention here, I'll go back to the layering section, is grouping. So if I click on this over here, it's grouped already. So I would suggest, if you wanted animation, if you picked a template specifically because you really liked the animation style on it, whatever layer has the animation, don't ungroup that, because that's going to undo the animation. If you accidentally do that, what you can do is, after you ungroup it on accident, you can just go right up here to the animation tab, and you can just find whatever that same animation was and just reapply it. So if you do make that mistake, it's no problem. You can just go right back and fix it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much mostly it. Yeah, grouping is pretty important. Basically, if you wanted to group something, if I wanted to put maybe this all together, grab it like this, and then just click group. Perfect. And then if I wanted to lock the layer, I'd click right down here at the bottom between comments is locked. So that way I can't move it around. I'm using my mouse right now trying to move around. I can't accidentally move it. So if I wanted to touch this stuff up over here, then you're pretty much all good. All right, this seems like it's pretty much everything. So now if we want to move this back to generate, we head right up here to share, head right over here to more, and then we can go down to, you can just download it. Download it as a MP4. Technically, since it is a MP4 file, you just download it. Oops. You just download this thing, download it, and then once that's all done, I'll bring you right back over to generate.